Welcome to Excel Logic Pro. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use average or how to find the average in Excel. Average function is a pre-made function in Excel which calculates the average or arithmetic mean. It is typed as the equal sign, then average. The average, it adds the range and divides by the number of observation. For example, when I want to take the average of two cells, for example, this one, and this, I have four cells which I want to find the average of these cells. So average, it means the first it adds all numbers in a given range. After adding number in a given series, it divides by the observation. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. So it adds all the numbers in these ranges, then it divides by the observation. Observation means the first number, second, third, and fourth. So here, for example, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, so it divides this in total number by 4 because we have 4 numbers. This is how you find the average. So it adds the numbers all in the range, then it divides by the observation. Yes. Let us start. Is equal to average, then open bracket. This is my range from this one to this, as you can see here, from G2 up to O2. This is the range. After that, close bracket, then enter. So this is how you can find the average. Then highlight to other student. Yeah, for example, now when I put as 2, it means I take the average of 2. So it is 2 divided by 2. For example, now I have 2 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 1, 2. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. Let's say I put 4. Now I have 10. Total is 10, and divided by 3 is 3.33, and so on. Let's say I have 20. I have 60. I have 20. I have 10. Let's say I have 10. I have 10. Here the total is 100. But how many observations? I have 4 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 100 divided by 4. So the answer is 25. So this is how average is calculated. So the first, it adds or it sums up the number and it divides by the observation. For example, in this formula, I can add something. For example, when you see these cells which has no numbers, there is this one, division divided by 0. It means you cannot divide number by 0. So in order to remove this, you can add if condition in the average formula, that if this cell and this cell and this cell, and this one, this, this means that when all these cells, the total of these all cells has nothing, this double quotation mark means is nothing or is blank, comma, also leave blank. This means the double quotation mark means nothing or blank or space. So if all this is blank or has nothing, also leave space. Otherwise, take the average of the range from G2 up to O2. After that, I have done with my formula. So when I drag this one, now the cell which has no data, also it retrieves space. So this is how it works. So this means nothing. Double quotation mark means space. So if in this cell there is space, also leave space. But you can also change formula. But if all these cells have space or has nothing, let's say instead of putting or instead of leaving space, say X. So if all these cells has nothing, has no data, put X. Otherwise, it means there is data, take average. Can you see this one? As you can see here. Yeah. So this is how you can modify the formula or the average formula, like this one. So you can decide to put anything in this one. You can say, no exam. No exam. So if in this cell there is nothing, put no exam. Otherwise, take the average of those numbers. So this is how you can do. Instead of putting division divided by 0, this is how we can do in the average form. Let's say remove this, then if there is leave that, if there is nothing, also leave space, like this one. As you can see, this form. Yes. So the full quotation mark means space. So if all this is equal to space, also leave space. Or if all this is equal to nothing, also leave space. Let me modify the formula. Okay. So you can modify the formula whatever you want. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching this video.